In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions on Xero. Locking transactions helps protect closed periods from accidental edits or backdated entries, which is especially important after you've reconciled your accounts or finalized reports. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the lock date settings and how to use them confidently. Start from your Xero dashboard. Open the accounting menu at the top, then choose Accounting Settings. This takes you to the area where your organization's core accounting preferences live. Next, open Financial Settings. This is where Xero groups controls that affect how your books behave across the system. Inside Financial Settings, look for the Lock Date section. This is the safeguard that prevents users from posting or changing transactions in periods you consider closed. You'll see two lock options. The first one stops all users, except advisors, from making changes on and before a specific date. This is useful if you want your accountant or advisor to retain the ability to make essential adjustments while the rest of the team is locked out. Note that auto reconcile can still run during this period, so bank rules and matches may continue in the background, but users won't be able to alter locked transactions. Choose the date for that first lock. A good practice is to set it to the end of the most recently closed month or quarter, after you've completed reconciliations and reviewed your reports. Pick a date that reflects the last period you consider final. The second lock option stops all users, including advisors, from making changes on and before a selected date. Use this when you want to pull freeze, for example, after year-end adjustments are complete and filings are finalized. Set the date here with care, as it prevents even trusted users from posting changes to that period. If you only need one of the locks, you can leave the other blank. But many organizations use the first lock monthly and the second lock annually. When your dates are set, scroll down and save. Xero will enforce these rules right away. If someone tries to edit or create a transaction dated on or before a locked date, they'll be blocked and prompted to adjust the date or contact an administrator. With the right permissions, you can always return to Financial Settings later to move the lock forward, or temporarily and cautiously roll it back to correct a genuine mistake. Just remember to reset it once you're done. That's it. Accounting settings, financial settings, set your lock dates, and save. With this in place, your historical data stays consistent, clean, and audit ready.